ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Going to go ahead and designate today a first alert weather day, which basically means that we don't really have a severe weather threat today, but we do have disruptive weather in the forecast. We've already had it along this morning, and certainly some ponding of water on roadways, still a problem for your morning commute. Additional rainfall possible today. We have a temperature dew point match, 100% relative humidity, and showers in progress now. An area of low pressure located off the Jacksonville coastline, still pumping a southwest wind flow across the area and bringing us these showers and occasionally thunderstorms. Also, because of this southwesterly wind flow, we have a high danger today of rip currents on area beaches. So not the best day to be out in the waters, that's certain, because of heavy surf action. Boating also not necessarily recommended today. The heaviest of the rainfall now located around the Nokomis area, Nokomis, Venice, the core of the heavier showers moving on shore there, producing some pretty heavy rainfall rates. These are fairly slow-moving showers that are drifting southward and moving off to the north and to the east. The whole line is drifting southward. You can see that core of heavier rain showers also around Laurel Roads and Jacaranda, seeing some fairly heavy rainfall. To the south, just around Rotunda, North Rotunda, seeing some heavier rainfall there, as well as that line sinks a little bit further to the south. That'll be the case throughout the day today. Off and on showers possible almost any time, some of them producing some fairly heavy rainfall, particularly near the coastline. So 41, a potential area for some standing water possibly, and of course local area roadways that tend to flood certainly could have some issues again today. We have, of course, this low pressure area which has now been redesignated as of yesterday evening as a pre-tropical storm. There could be tropical storm development within the next 12 hours or so, and consequently it has to receive that designation in order for watches and warnings to be posted for South Carolina and North Carolina coastlines. And of course we watch Harvey, terrible track forecast for that storm we'll talk about in a second. We get the plume of moisture wrapping into that low pressure area off the Jacksonville coastline, producing again today potential for some heavy rain, 2 to 4 inches possible. That low lifts northward, high pressure builds up from the south, and we start to change the weather as we head into tomorrow. Today, another 2 to 4 inches possible, at times heavy. We've already seen some pretty heavy overnight showers. Less rainfall tomorrow, but still thunderstorms around. And then on Wednesday, the sunshine returns. The computer model forecast for rainfall over the next 24 hours does show some fairly heavy rainfall along coastal regions, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches possible there. And when I say 4 inches, those would be in isolated pockets, generally speaking, more like 2 inches. A couple of potential hot spots. Of course, we have the two close to home, but another one coming off the African coast bears watching. Plenty of time to do that. It's a long way away. Okay, Harvey, now a tropical storm with 40-mile-an-hour winds. The wind's really not the issue. The issue, the track forecast. Watch what happens. Over the next several days, it moves back out into the warm waters of the Gulf, just pumping moisture back toward the Houston area. And it takes days for it to lift northward and finally eject out toward the Tennessee River Valley. Until then, though, just another additional 20 inches of rainfall possible, bringing the total in isolated pockets up to about 50 inches. Tremendous amounts of rain. For us, during the last 24 hours, we've had some pretty good rainfall here, too. Some 2-3 inch rainfalls, maybe an isolated pocket or two of even higher than that. So watch for the potential of some localized roadway flooding today. Watch for rip current issues. A flood watch up till 9 p.m. tonight may be extended. 80% chance of rain today. Wait for Wednesday. The sun will come out.